afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Temper's Lockpicking. I have another lock. I'm not sure if it's a challenge lock or not, but I got this from Steve. He sent this into a package, in a package for me. She's got some nice fitting. I don't know, well, I don't know what's in there. I haven't opened it yet. But 1, 2, 3. I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that right? Well, no, 5. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pinner. Okay. Let's see what we do about open this. I gotta unplug this power cord because I'm gonna keep bumping it. Okay, let me see if I can get a little better angle on there. How's that? Give me enough room. Gotta use what was it, 1 point? Yeah, 1.2 millimeter tension wrench. And top of the keyway, of course. Gets in there nice. I think I'm gonna use the long end. Better. So let's see if we can do, if I can open this, okay?
That was easy.
Hey, Mr. Easy, what's shaking over there in Easy Land?
That was easy.
Yeah, hope Mrs. Easy's fine, and that's all I want to say about her. All right, use a custom pick, short hook, and let us pick a lock. Well, I wish my fingers would work. All right, 1. There we go, much better. A little clicky at a 1. 2 is good. Nice click at a 3. Okay, got a click at a 4. 1. Sorry, I'm counting the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just picking. I don't know why I have such a hard time counting the pins. The pins that don't have a real big groove in it, like, excuse me. Like if you look at the key. Oh, never mind. You know what I mean. Alright. 1 is good. 2 is binding. Little click there, little movement on the tension wrench. 3, 4. Last pin. I think I'm all right there. Beginning. Little click. 2, another click. 3, I got a click. 4, feels good. Can't feel nothing on 5 yet. Okay. 1. Not on the pin. Get back here. Okay, that's 1. 2 is binding. Little click, little movement. 3. Starting in the back. Feels something, but okay. And I'm not even sure what pin that was, so you have to excuse me. Well, you don't have to, but, you know, some people do. Working backwards here. I don't know what pin I'm on. Nice click there. A little movement in my thumb. There's another one. Nice one. It's a nice movement there. Get some more light on it. Okay. Got a good false set going, I think. There we go. Okay. White tinge. There we go. Nice. Very, very nice. Got a good false set going. Start from the beginning again. 1, 2, 3 feels good. It's good. No. Last pin. Yeah, that felt weird. Okay. Beginning. 1. 2. I just slipped off the pin. 3. I think I'm on 3. There we go. That was nice. 4. Binding. Gotcha, baby. Woo! I think I got you. There we go. I didn't hear that pop clear of a sound. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. This is, I'm sorry, I didn't even say what it was. It was the 1100 American. Thank you very much, Steve. This is very, I like picking American locks. They're cool. All right, pinning tray. I'm just trying to get everything. Okay, what do I need here? I don't need this. I don't need that. I do need a screwdriver. Let's use my handy dandy screwdriver. That was tight. Hope everybody's having a great day. Thank you very much for coming and watching my video. Lots of stuff going on, a lot of giveaways going on. What is going on here? You know what? I don't know if that's going in deep enough. Let me try the screwdriver that I just dropped. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got a clipper. And I could lock it up, but let's see if I can just pop the clip off. Here we go again, clip. There we go. This clip. I don't need this. I need do need is a shim. Book and shim, don't need that one. Oh, there's a good one. You look around the camera. There you go. And that's too big. That'll work. No problems. No problems. Where's the pins? Okay, put this right here. The shim. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 5-pin. I mean, it's a 6-pinner, but we don't have a 6-pin in here. I always got to remember that. Same thing happened to me on this master lock that I picked the other day. Felt the hole, but didn't feel no pin. Okay. This one here is a nice little, it's got serrations in it. I would definitely do a close-up on it. Looks like micro serrations though. Very nice serrated pin here. Another, God, these are sticking to my finger, oily. Okay, another one, another serrated pin. Okay, teeny tiny one, and it's got serrations on it too. I'm gonna have to do a real close-up on this one. Okay, 5th one. All serrated pins, every one of them. Every one of them. Let me see if we got any magic up here. Probe. Easy. All right. Definitely nothing. Nothing. Just a stock. Very, very stock. That's that. Let's do a top pin now. See what we got on the top. So far looking good. I mean, all serrated. I wonder if Steve did that. Number 1. Barely, God, I can't turn my arm. Barely breaking the sugar, but it's doing it. It's doing its job. Very nice spool with a serration on the top. Spring could be a little bit stronger, but what it is, what it is. Okay, number 2. Same thing, that one. Not a very strong spring, but a beautiful pin, all serrated. Another one of these little teeny springs. Number 3. All the springs are the same. A spool with a serration on the top. Copper spring. Number 4. They're all barely breaking the shear line. And that's a spool with some serrations on it. And Okay. Where to go? There it is. And the last pin. Turn it around. Very nice serrated pin. And a TD spring. And let me give you a very much needed close-up. It's hard to tell. Zoom. Okay, let's look at this together. Bottom pins, you can see number one is got some serrated, very teeny serrations in it, light, I would say. Two has got a double serrated, three has got a double serrated, four is double serrated, and five is double serrated, all different sizes. Top pins, we got a spoolish pin with a serration on the top and the bottom, and a nicely done serrated pin in number two. Another one of those spools, in three, four, and then five, I got a nice serrated pin. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I wanted Steve, let me know if you did this. Anyway, that's what I got. Woo, woo, woo. I picked it, and I appreciate you guys coming and watching my videos. Hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend, and don't put your pics in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Please stay legal. All right? You know what? When you need Mr. Easy, he just doesn't want to talk. I'm gone.